Why would the US military copy a cheap Iranian drone? Yeah, you heard that right. A $35,000 flying bomb-inspired technology rivaling a $2.5 million missile. And the wildest part, the American version might be even more dangerous. Today, we're breaking down how a budget drone turned into one of the most terrifying precision weapons on the modern battlefield, and how advanced AI, terrain mapping, and some seriously clever engineering changed the game forever. When the Pentagon got its hands on an Iranian Shahed 136 drone, they didn't just study it, they reverse-engineered it, cloned it, and then leveled it up. But here's the twist that had engineers shook. Inside that Iranian drone, it was already packed with American-made microchips. Yeah, global supply chains hit different. Let's talk numbers real quick. A Tomahawk cruise missile, about $2.5 million. A Shahed 136, or its American counterpart, around $35,000. That's not just cheaper, that's a whole different league. It's basically the difference between a luxury supercar and a street racer that still wins. On the outside, these drones look almost identical. 3.5-meter delta wing, lightweight composite body, minimalist design. But inside, totally different beasts. The Shahed 136. It's basically a blunt instrument, a flying bomb with a preset path. No thinking, no adapting. But the American version, often referred to as the Lucas drone, that thing, it's smart, like scary smart. The Iranian drone depends heavily on GPS or similar navigation systems. If you jam that signal, it's basically lost. But the American drone? Nah, it doesn't panic, it adapts. The moment GPS drops, the drone literally starts looking down. A high-speed optical sensor activates and begins scanning the terrain, mountains, roads, rivers, shadows. Then comes the crazy part. Inside the drone is a memory system loaded with high-resolution 3D maps. The onboard AI captures live images, converts them into a digital mesh, and matches them against stored maps. It's basically solving a puzzle at insane speed. Within milliseconds, it knows exactly where it is, even without GPS. Let's say wind pushes it off course, no problem. The drone detects deviation, calculates correction, and adjusts flight path instantly. This happens continuously. It's like having a pilot, but faster than human reflexes. Both drones use something called a point detonating fuse. Here's how it works. Drone dives at nearly 80 degrees. On impact, a firing pin triggers the explosion. Boom, instant detonation. What follows is brutal. Shockwave crushes structures. Metal fragments scatter at high speeds. Now here's where things get next level. With an anti-tank warhead, the drone fires a molten metal jet straight through armor. Yeah, like a high-tech RPG from the sky. Even heavily armored vehicles aren't safe. Shahed 136, range up to 2,500 kilometers. Heavy engine, long endurance. American drone, range around 800 kilometers. Lighter, more precise. Why the shorter range? Because the US prioritized accuracy over distance. Here's where it gets futuristic. The American drone can change targets mid-flight, track moving objects, and adapt in real time. That's a massive advantage in modern warfare. These drones are launched from simple truck-based systems. Each truck carries multiple drones. Once deployed, they attack in swarms. And that's the real nightmare. Even if defenses shoot down a few, others get through. People describe the sound as haunting, a buzzing engine growing louder, until it's too late. Kind of like the We Dive bombers, but modern and deadlier. Let's keep it real, these drones aren't perfect. Weaknesses include vulnerability to advanced air defense, slower speed, and dependence on navigation systems for some models. But here's the catch. Their low cost makes them expendable. This isn't just about drones. It's about a shift in warfare. Cheaper weapons, smarter systems, AI-driven precision. High cost no longer guarantees dominance. So yeah, a cheap drone turned into a technological wake-up call, and now it's shaping the future of warfare. If you found this breakdown interesting, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because the future of science and technology, it's moving fast, and we're just getting started.